I'm filming. Goodness.
Free treat. Let's get out of here. That's a good idea. Whoa, was that just lightning?
Yes.
Are you serious? Was there lightning?
Oh my
Yeah,
God.
we're gonna lose power. What
Yes.
the hell is that? I've never even seen anything like that. What the hell was that? Did you see that?
Yes. Let's get out of here quickly.
I've never ever seen that before.
I got it on video.
You do?
Yeah. That was some weird lightning. Holy God.
Did you see that?
Yeah.
I actually got that on
I
video.
got evidence. Holy God.
You can't get that camera wet, buddy.
I know, but still. Oh, I've never seen that in my lifetime. That was freaky. Oh my God.
I get away from the light post.
Park next to the neighbors.
John Genie? Yeah, that's a good spot. What, down there?
Yeah, right here.
Yeah, it's far enough away from the light post, I think.
That was some weird lightning.
That was weird. You better put that in your pocket and seal it up. It's
Okay.
getting ruined.
Thanks for watching.